All right, so we just got this. This is a V-mount battery by Firstpower. Let's go ahead and we'll open her up. See what we got. All right, got a user's guide. You got, it looks like USB to USB-C. And here's the battery. All right, there she be. And I do believe that somehow we can hook this up to our, either our Ryobi or a DeWalt. So first I think we got to charge it. And here, I don't know what that is. So I think to charge it we go USB-C. And there's your contacts. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll plug her in and get her charged, and then we'll try it out and see how it works. How's that sound? So anyway, I do believe I have a USB-C right here. So all we gotta do is plug it in. Right here, I would imagine. And there she goes. It looks like it's got a little bit of a charge on it. And we're hooked up to the USB-C. 4 watt, I guess. I don't know, 2 watt. 4 watt. So we'll just let it sit here until it gets fully charged, and then we'll try to hook it up to one of our devices and see how she runs. How's that sound? All right, so this has been on here for a while, and I'm not really getting an increase. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. But if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.